Alright, so we got Ariana Grande Cloud, right? Which is this Baccarat Rouge 540 clone, which I still haven't smelled. I'm working on getting a sample here. It's fruity, it's chocolatey, it's a huge gourmand scent that smells really great. So, they figured, well, let's milk the audience for that a little more and get Ariana Grande Cloud 2.0 Intense. So we're going to see how they compare, what I think of them. The notes look pretty similar, so is it worth it? I don't know. Let's find out. Alright, so first off, the boxes. You're buying it for the packaging to some degree, right? I like the first box better. A lot more color. This one, kinda, It's just blue. The back's the same. I don't know. So you open the original. And the cool thing about these, right? They've got the little cloud base. Bottle comes out. I'm not gonna take it out. So we'll start by spraying this one. I'm gonna wear these for a bit, see how they compare. This one, we're gonna go on this wrist. There's 2 sprays. They say there's pralines in the notes, like marshmallow maybe, whipped cream. You smell that, that's heavy. And there's a little bit of pear on top, a little bit of bergamot. It's nice, it's nice. So that's the original. And then, of course, we have Intense, which I haven't actually opened yet, other than taking the wrapping off. But it's the exact same deal. I guess you gotta put this together yourself. We've got our cloud, except this time the cloud is blue. It's dark, it's intense. It's gonna rain, Ariana Grande Cloud Intense. So, let's get a spray of that going. Smells damn near the same. A little different. So they've got Ambroxan in this one. So this one, in theory, is going to perform a bit more. It's intense, right? Not really getting much of that yet. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to wear it for a few hours, tell you how they perform, what I'm smelling. We'll go from there. All right, so it's been 2.5 hours, and I'm not really getting a big difference between the two. They're both kind of wearing down. They're not crazy strong, and for the price, that makes sense. You know, Cloud smells like Cloud. Cloud Intense. I get that Ambroxan base plus some Cloud, but it's not. It doesn't feel stronger. It's not really lasting longer. So if you have Cloud, don't bother with Cloud Intense 2.0. If you're getting one or the other, honestly, I don't know. Pick whichever one you think the bottle's cuter. It doesn't matter. They smell the same. That's my take on it. I'm Poppy. This is Poppy Style. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want to see more like this, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see me try in the comments. I really appreciate it. You guys take care.